5 Best Computerized Sewing Machine 2018, here is the product number 5. Janome HD 1000 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. Style name Janome HD 1000 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine with 14 built-in stitches. The Janome HD 1000 has many of the convenient features you'd expect on a higher-priced machine. The Janome HD 1000 features 13 of the most practical stitches, plus a built-in buttonhole and consistent performance on a wide range of fabrics. Here is the product number 4. Singer, Quantum Stylist 9960. Style name: 9960 Sewing Machine. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Sewing Machine has loads of ease-of-use features to allow you to fulfill your creative dreams. Its 600 built-in stitches include 5 alphanumeric fonts and 13 fully automatic one-step buttonholes with exclusive buttonhole underplate, mirror imaging. Here is the product number 3. Brother SE400 Combination. The computerized SE400 combination embroidery and sewing machine is designed to help you give your projects a customized, high-end look, all while being priced to fit your budget. Featuring 70 built-in embroidery designs, 67 built-in sewing stitches, 120 frame pattern combinations and 5 embroidery lettering fonts. Here is the product number 2. Singer, 7258 100 stitch. Style name: 7258 with 100 stitches and programmable needle. The Singer Stylist 7258 100 stitch computerized sewing machine offers great value because it comes with loads of free accessories. The sewing machine is provided with 100 built-in stitches, making fashion sewing, home and decorative sewing, quilting, crafting and heirloom sewing easier. Here is the product number 1. Brother CS6000. A feature-rich, versatile, value-packed, perfect for a wide range of sewing and quilting projects. Accessories are stored inside a compartment on the arm of the sewing machine. Select stitches and adjust stitch length and stitch width via settings seen on the LCD display. Start button allows use without included foot control. Check the description below for the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.